Hello beautiful people, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kunbheetouch. I'm a YouTuber, a makeup artist and a gele tire. In this video I'll be showing you how I tie this infinity of round gele on myself. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell for more exciting videos. Do watch and enjoy. Thank you. The measurement I used to tie this gele is called 30-70, and I started by making my base pleats on my hairline, and then I crossed the gele at the back, in which the shorter hand was placed over the longer hand. Now then begin to continue to make pleats with the longer hand of the gele, which is the 70. After doing this, I'll proceed to trace the pleats all the way down to the back of my head and hold it down with my cheeks and shoulder. Then I'll create other pleats from the middle of the gele and adjust it both ways immediately. You really need to take your time in doing this so as to get a beautiful finishing. You then trace all those neat pleats all the way down to the back of your neck. You then make sure you pick each of those pleats neatly before you tie your gele. Voila! Your infinity round plait is all set. So if you have any question about how this gele was tied, please comment below and ask your questions, and I'll be sure to reply each and every one of them. Thank you for watching. Bye. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.